What is up, everybody? My name is George, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my signature man bun. Yes, that same man bun that is in every single video that I post. It's my favorite style to keep my hair in. For some reason, it also became my logo. In the last video that I uploaded, I showed you how I achieved these chunky twists. Click the card up here, and the link will be in the description. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up because it really helps. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, my hair is practically down. And then we're just gonna moisturize the hair with some water. We don't want it like dripping wet. It just needs to be moist enough so that you can stretch it. And then tilting the head over really helps to gather the hair in one place. And as you can see, I'm stretching and I'm gathering the hair into the desired place that I want to put the bun. Then once I'm satisfied, I just grab a rubber band and then start to wrap the rubber band around the hairs. I'm being very careful with this because they're twists and they're very easy to unravel. Now for the last wrap, I take my thumb and my index finger and put in between the hair and the rubber band, and then drag the end of the rubber band down to the ends of the twists, sort of tucking away the ends and creating the bun effect. As you can see, my finger is in between the twists and the rubber band. And then it's practically in its first form. I know it doesn't look too great right now because it's practically fresh. So what I'm doing is basically tucking away the stray hairs and making it look a little bit more neat and a little bit more presentable, if you may. What I'm basically doing here is I'm pulling out the twists that have too much tension on them. So I relieve the tension by pulling on the twists. You don't want your hairs to be pulled. It's different when a hair is braided tightly and when rubber bands are pulling on your hair, because the rubber band will always get tighter and tighter and it won't stop pulling. So you need to pull them out. And again, tucking away those ends that are in the bun. You know, you can play around with it. It doesn't have to be anything perfect. I guess it's just the thought that counts. That's basically it. So this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up because it really helps. And I'll see you guys next time.
You might be the one. No, I'm not gonna see it. No, I don't wanna see it. I'ma try not to see it, but it feels like I might say it.